It's funny, I still talk to the friends that I had in pressurized cooling years ago, but to transfer from that to where we're at now with spray cooling, it's going to help out in a lot of ways, cheaper, more efficient, and safer.
Going back to the broken record thoughts, you and me covered in mud on the rocks, taking blurry photos in the new that swollen stream we crossed, washed away our clothes except our socks.
We're a new company. We want to learn about how the spray cooling system is working.
We're all here to help make each other better, networking with other mills that have the same problems, in turn make it safer for our teams.
We've actually been coming to this conference for as long as it's been open. There's a million different ways to do things, but we all do it with the same goal in mind. Do it safer, do it better, do it more efficiently. Safety especially, the safety aspect of it is huge. I'll come back every year if I can.
Of course, we want to have our guys safe and away from the furnace. I'm very convinced this is a invest or a project with a very positive outcome.
It's hard to imagine my words having any sway on your own way, but at least upon your is not the same, and I'm so far away. It's hard to imagine my words having any sway.
I got to see some new things that I'm implementing now.
This was really good, really interesting.
It was a great time and really educational. Systems has always been a great partner for us, and obviously they're a great partner for every other company they work for.